In this video, we see how to evaluate volumes in Stonex Reconstructor. Go in Mining and click on Volume and Volume from Plane. In the recipe window you have the list of all the elements you need to evaluate a volume. The first element is a mesh of your model. To create the mesh, right-click on the point cloud. Choose Meshing and select 3D Mesh for example. The mesh has been already generated and this is the result. The second ingredient is optional, and it is a bounding polyline. Then you need a plane. So the first ingredient is the mesh and it has already been defined. Now let's define the plane. Go in Meshes and click on Basic Shapes. And create /edit plane. Click on Create New. Select the fitting method. Let's choose plane from 2 points. Click here to select the point from the 3D window. Double-click on the 3D scene to define a point. The same for the second point. Click on Fit Plane. You see that a vertical plane is generated. You can make it horizontal quickly by clicking on Make Plane Horizontal. Increase the dimension of the plane by modifying the X and Y extension. Everything you need to calculate the volume has been generated. Let's go back to Volume from Plane tool. Drag and drop the mesh, and then the plane. Select if the volume is above or below the plane. In this case it is above. If you want, you can export the PDF report. Click on Save PDF Report. Now let's go to have a look to the results.